Hi guys, Darren here from WebNinja. Just want to give you a bit of an insight on how the WebNinja connector for BigCommerce works, how it's all pieced together and how the transactions flow between the two products. As you can see, I'm in Unleashed here now. I'm in a product area here, viewing a product. I'm looking at the Animal Shapes box set of 2. You can see it's in a product group of wheels and tyres for the demo purposes. And what I'm going to show you is an update to this product that will then flow up to BigCommerce, and then we're also going to jump on the BigCommerce site, place an order, and then see that order come back into Unleashed for you. In terms of the integration, how it works, we have a little data warehouse that sits up in the cloud in between the other 2 cloud products that allows us to map data between Unleashed and BigCommerce. So we've got flexibility in terms of the number of fields or the type of fields that we can send to BigCommerce and populate the data there. So we can do that for products, we can do that for categories and customers as well. And in terms of the order process, we also interpret the text codes that are available in Unleashed, a particular account that the sales should come back to in Unleashed. If we're charging freight on the BigCommerce site, we can populate that back into Unleashed using a separate freight line on a stock item itself, along with web coupons for discounts, etc. Alright, so if I pop back over to Unleashed, you can see here on the sales side of things, we've got some pricing set for $450. If I go back over to the BigCommerce site and just have a look at that item in the BigCommerce site, you can see that's priced at $450 as well. I'm going to make a change to that. I'm going to drop that price down to a fire sale price of $150. I'll make sure I hit saved in Unleashed so it's nice and updated. Then I'm going to pop back over to the online data warehouse. Now you typically don't need to do this in a live situation because there is a background sync that occurs and does this for you. But for the purposes of the demo, I'm just going to hit the button here on sync so you can get a feel for how it works. And what you'll see is a progress bar up the top here, giving you an itemized detail of what's happening from an Unleashed integration point of view. And once that's finished, I'm also then going to go over to the BigCommerce sync side of things. Again, you don't have to press this normally, but I'm just doing it for the demo. I'm going to hit sync on that. And what you'll see there is we've updated one product. If I pop back over to the BigCommerce site now, hit the refresh button, I should now see my price change to $150, which I've made that change in Unleashed, and you can see that that's flowed through now to the BigCommerce site. Okay, so let's do the reverse. Let's be in BigCommerce as we are now. Let's add this cart to the checkout. We're going to proceed through the checkout. We're going to place an order in BigCommerce and watch that come back through to Unleashed. Just going to check out as a guest here. Let's pop some details in here for the checkout process. Just bear with me on this one. There we go. Choose the wonderful state of Queensland. The next page is give me an idea that it's going to be charged freight at this point. And you'll watch how that comes back into Unleashed as well. I'm going to hit continue, just get to the payment page, get you out of here quickly. Let's just pop in a fictitious credit card. Oops, let's just put that in the right area. Expiration date, and we're out. So there we go, I checked out from BigCommerce. Now again, this background sync happens automatically. You don't necessarily need to do this, but again, I just want to show you how it works. Just going to hit BigCommerce sync here. That'll give us a return result saying that there's an order being synced. And again, in the Unleashed side of things, we're just going to hit that. That's going to happen with the progress. And we should see an order come back down into Unleashed, which is done. Now if I switch back over to Unleashed over here, I can simply just go to the dashboard if I want to. And what we should see is some sales. Click on the link here. And then when that populates that screen, we can see a new web sale has come in, web number 7. That's got my new pricing of it on it of $150. That I set before with some GST, and then the web freight item, which was $10, plus a bit of GST rounded up. So that's the 2 processes. That's orders and order detail coming back down to Unleashed, but also then the ability from Unleashed to update your BigCommerce site. Thanks for your time.